This is what happens when proper sanitation isn't practiced enough or properly. You get cockroaches. Before we begin any type of treatment, we showed the owner all these problem areas and told them that they must be cleaned immediately in order to avoid any continuous pest and rodent infestations. Thankfully, he agreed, and he and his staff started to clean. Once they finished cleaning, we're going to treat every single problem area throughout the restaurant with a residual application that's combined with an EPA-registered insect growth regulator. This will target and affect the cockroach's reproductive system and stop them from reaching adulthood. We're also going to apply some gel bait to some other areas in the kitchen. Once the cockroaches feed on the gel bait, they can no longer reproduce. Next, we will treat the main harborage areas with a knockdown aerosol product. This is going to flush the cockroaches out of hiding and exterminate them quickly. Lastly, we will install several monitoring devices throughout the building and then schedule a number of return inspections to continuously check on the cockroach activity and apply additional treatments if needed.